In this video, we'll be learning how to make an appointment in ThinkingStorm. So the first thing I want to say is that you don't need to have an appointment to come to the Writing Center. You can drop in. However, during the semester, the Writing Center gets very busy, so it is better to make an appointment. In order to make an appointment, you want to go to the Brookdale homepage, click My Brookdale, and then go to Canvas. In Canvas, you want to find the big T in the bottom, T for tutoring, and click it. You'll appear on this page. This is where you go to schedule an appointment for any tutoring on campus, not just the Writing Center. Regardless of what kind of tutoring you want, you should use the left-hand side in order to schedule your appointment. So, go to Start Now. You'll go to this page. This is the page where you can make, manage, cancel, and enter your appointments. If you're trying to make an appointment, you go to Schedule or Cancel a BCC tutoring appointment or lab time, and you click Book Now. When you click Book Now, it will ask you if you want an in-person appointment or an online appointment. I'm going to show you what making both of these looks like. Let's select in-person first. Now it will ask you for several different pieces of information about your appointment. So go through one by one. First up is location. You can access the Writing Center at any Brookdale location. The main Writing Center is located on the Lincroft campus in Larison Hall, room 118. You can also go to the Writing Center at Wall, Neptune, Long Branch, Hazlitt, or Freehold. So I'll select Lincroft. Under the category, it will ask you what kind of tutoring. Notice all of the great kinds of tutoring available on campus and where they're located. Here, we'll select Writing Center. Next up is the subject. This is where you put in what you'll be working on. If you're coming to the Writing Center for a class, I suggest you pick Brookdale Writing Help. Note that all appointments are 1 hour. If you need help with a resume, a scholarship essay, or a transfer essay, pick those. Most of the time, though, you'll be picking Brookdale Writing Help. Then select your tutor. Now, if you have a particular tutor you like, their names are all available to select from their specific availability. If you haven't been to the Writing Center before, or you just want the earliest possible appointment, select No Preference, and it will automatically pick a tutor for you at a time that you specify. Next up, select the date and time for your tutoring. Looking at this calendar, all of the grayed out days are days that have passed or that are not available. Note that the Writing Center does offer tutoring on Saturdays, but not Sundays. That tutoring is only online. I'm going to make an appointment for next week, the 26th. When I click on that day, I see all of these different available times. Pick the time that works the best for you. I'll pick 10 a.m. And then I go to Book. Now I'm not done yet. First, it's going to tell me some information. It will tell me where it's at, which kind of tutoring, the subject, and the tutor. Note that even though I picked No Preference, it still tells me who my tutor will be, so I can ask for that specific person when I show up. In this case, my tutor is Kathy. Down here, you still have two pieces of information to put in. The first is your class. It's enough for this to just put the name of your class. English 095 is plenty. Then for the phone number, simply put in your phone number and click Confirm. And our appointment has been booked. You'll notice here that we're able to see our upcoming appointment. And we can indeed confirm it's right this year in January on the 26th at 10 a.m. in Lincroft with Kathy. Okay, now that we've done that, Let's just try to make an online appointment. You do it the same way. You go to Book Now, and then you click Online. Just like before, you'll select the location, but the only available location is online. Likewise, you'll select the Writing Center, the subject, which is the same as before, and the tutor. Note that for the online tutors, most of the tutors' names look regular, but some tutors say chat only. For an online appointment, you can expect that your tutor, unless they are a chat-only tutor, will be able to meet with you through audio and video. Chat-only tutors can only use the chat due to technological limitations. If that's something that you want yourself, I would recommend selecting them. I'll select No Preference one more time. If you want to go forward a month in the calendar, you can just click this button. And here we see the next month of the calendar. I'll make an appointment for Wednesday the 9th. I've decided I want it at 3 p.m. I'll put in my class. Remember that you can come to the Writing Center for any class, including psychology. I'll put in my phone number and click Confirm. As you can see, now I have my appointment. Sometimes when you make your appointment, it won't show up right here. You need to refresh your page. Once you do that, it should show up under Schedule a Session. In the next video, we'll learn how to view your currently scheduled appointments and cancel upcoming appointments.